What if one platform could handle your funnels, your emails, your courses, your blog, and your automation without paying for 5 separate tools? That is exactly what System does. System is an all-in-one platform for selling online. It powers over 500,000 entrepreneurs worldwide, and you can get started completely free. You do not have to buy a separate tool for funnels, a different one for emails, and another one for courses. System bundles all of that into one platform at a fraction of the price. When you log in, this is what you see. One clean dashboard with a top menu covering every tool you need. Sites, emails, automations, CRM, assets, sales, and more. Under the Sites menu, you get 4 things: sales funnels, full websites, blogs, and creator stores. Creator stores are single-page storefronts you can link directly from your social media bio. The funnel builder uses a drag-and-drop editor. Landing pages, order forms, upsells, thank you pages. You build the whole flow inside System without touching any other tool. The emails menu has 3 sections: newsletters, campaigns, and statistics. One-off broadcasts, full email sequences, and your open and bounce tracking all in one place. Under automations, you get 2 tools: rules for simple if this then that triggers, and workflows for multi-step sequences that handle your entire contact journey automatically. The assets menu is where your content lives. Courses, communities, digital files, physical products, and coupons, all managed from one section. The CRM menu gives you contacts, tags, pipelines, and a calendar. Manage your leads, segment them with tags, move them through a sales pipeline, and handle scheduling all from the same menu. The sales menu tracks your orders, transactions, and subscriptions. And your affiliate program lives here too. Affiliate invoices and your full affiliate program dashboard right in the same section. System is built for solopreneurs, coaches, and creators who want to run a real online business without managing a stack of separate subscriptions. And the free plan is genuinely free. 2,000 contacts, unlimited emails, 3 funnels, 1 course, and 1 blog. No credit card required, no trial period, free forever. Over 500,000 entrepreneurs use it, and it holds 4.9 stars on Trustpilot. If you want to try it, sign up through the link in the description. Email me or DM me after you do, and I will send you 6 free bonuses to help you get the most out of System. I will see you in the next one.